Uthuthuria wa kuonania uria bengi citiganite cikoretwo cikiruta wira thiini wa gicunji kia mbere kia mwaka wa 2020 ni urekereirio ni kambuni ya Saiton, na imwe ya bengi iria ciri thiini wa uthuthuria uyu ni bengi ya Co-operative iria yaniriirwo gutongoria hoka ni kunyitanira na kambuni ingi kiwonjoria. Athuthuria makiuga ati bengi ino ni hotete kwamba mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kiwonjoria na wagiriru wa mirutire ya wira bengi ino ikirugamira hari gicunji kia 60%. Gicunji kia mbere kia mwaka uyu gikoretwo kigumirwo ni uritu muingi wa kiwonjoria makiria ni undu wa murimu wa COVID-19 uria wonekanite kuhinyiriria onjoria na njira nene, na uguo kuringana na uthuthuria uyu bengi ciothe iria ciandikithitio riboti-ini ino cikoretwo cikionjorithia na njira ya raithi thiini wa thoko ya kimbeca.
Deposits witnessed a faster 18.5% growth compared to 14.5% growth in loans, which in effect saw the loan to deposit ratio adjust to 72% compared to 75% in 2019. A cost to income ratio with a loan loss provision came in at 67.3%, which shows the cost of risk is heightening, especially with the increased non-performing loans.
Na hari maumirira ma uria bengi ciothe cikoretwo cikiruta wira, bengi ya I&M niyo itongoretie ikirumirirwo ni bengi ya Co-operative, KCB, Equity, DTBK na Stanbic mutaratara-ini ucio.
The major observation that we saw, it was in KCB group, whereby in terms of franchise value, it declined in terms of its ranking to number 6 from number 3 initially. And the main reasons was there was a rise in the NPL ratio for KCB, mainly due to the book that they inherited from NBK, and this impacted the franchise value.
Bengi ya Co-operative ni irigite gwikiranira agirimiti na kambuni ya wendia wa fataraitha ya Yara kiumia githiru, na kuria endia fataraitha makuhurwo njeki ya ciringi mirioni 500 rungu rwa agirimiti iyo, na ningi ni irigite kurikia mutaratara wa kuyukia gicunji kia 90% gia bengi ya Jamii Bora. Hari maumirira mayo ma gicunji kia mbere kia mwaka uyu, bengi ino ya Co-operative ni yandikithirie baita ya ciringi bilioni 9.6 mbere ya kweheria igoti, kuringithania na ciringi bilioni 10.4 ihinda-ini o tariu mwaka muthiru, undu uria watariirio gukorwo ari uhotani kuringithania na uritu munene uria ukoretwo kuo wa kiwonjoria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.